Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Naughty Threads. In case you're watching our video for the first time, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos. So in today's video, I'm going to share a few designs or few orders that we fulfilled pre-lockdown. These orders are I think but 3 to 4 months old, just before my wedding preparations got started. We started working on these orders because it was wedding season. So the only intention to share this video is to help you guys understand what kind of designs look good on what kind of saris and how to choose the color combination. So here this sari is a bridal sari. That is the reason we've done this heavy kuchu with three different colors. So the pallu is actually very rich. This was the bride's muhurtam sari. So that's the reason we have kept it a little grand. So this one is a very beautiful sari with kind of very light blue and onion pink kind of combination. I really loved this sari. I think it was from Angadi Silks. The label was still on the sari, so that's how I remember. This design was selected by the customer herself. This is also a bridal sari. I think I'm not really sure if it's a bride sari or somebody from the bride's family. So it's a very pretty design. To give it a more bridal look, we have added some gold stone chain. So this one is again a bridal sari with off-white and brick red kind of combination. She wanted something really different, so that is the reason I suggested her this potli design, because it looks trendy when compared to the other regular crochet and honeycomb kind of designs. I really loved the sari personally. It's got this beautiful off-white with gold buttas all over the body and brick red kind of very rich pallu. So who wouldn't like this kind of combination? So the next one is again from a very regular client of mine. She wanted something with long tassel for this sari, so that's the reason I suggested her this design. She really loved the way it turned out. This is again a double color sari with a navy blue and a very different kind of red. It's not like maroon, not red, so more like a brick red again. So it's very different. That's the reason we've used some blue crystals to highlight the design. This next one again is a bridal sari. Very beautiful combination, violet and purple. Very light purple in fact, so that's why we have used two colors in tassel as well as the crochet part. She wanted gold stone chain to be used for this particular design, so that's the reason we have used. The body also is very pretty, very pastel shade. I personally loved this sari. So these saris are for somebody middle-aged, so she didn't want too many colors, so that's the reason we have tied just baby kuchu. And one suggestion when you're doing baby kuchu this close is be very careful and trim everything to the same length, like as even as possible, so that when you see the finishing is too good. So the next one again is worked for somebody middle-aged. Sari is very simple with the self stripes, pink and orange combination. So since the blouse was orange, I kind of used these orange teardrop kundans as hangings here. This customer is very fond of this design. I think we have worked around 8 to 10 saris for her, the same design. So I'm not sure, she just likes this design. She says it's very intricate and pretty, I can carry it off well. So that's why we worked this design, and to just give it a little break, I've added one small bead in the arch. So this next one is also of the same client. It's a very beautiful color combination, Rani pink and navy blue, but this is not a silk sari, it's a georgette sari. And for georgette saris, usually these kind of designs look really pretty. Since she had made up her mind that she wants the same design for both her saris, we didn't have a choice but to work the same design, but just to keep it a little different, I have used round kundans instead of teardrop. The arch looks very intricate in this design, and that's what makes it look very pretty. So the tutorial is uploaded on both my channels, Naughty Threads, that is this channel, as well as Naughty Threads Kannada. So please do take a look. In case you have not subscribed to my Kannada channel, do subscribe now. So this design most of you guys would have seen, and you guys have liked this design as well. So we worked this on this particular sari. It's a very beautiful pista green sari. The blouse was going to be contrast, so that is the reason we have used pink color. Very pretty sari with silver peacock buttas and some checkered pattern in gold sari. So again, this was selected by the customer herself. So the next one also, it's kind of old as gold kind of sari with too many colors and small checks, but this has a gradient kind of concept. So we've tried to use all three colors, that is gold, kind of magenta, pink and black from the sari. And this customer is very particular about the tassels. She always wants thick tassels, so that is the reason we've added thick tassels. And she doesn't like too many beads, so we've kept it really simple. The video tutorial of this design is also uploaded on both my channels, so please do take a look. And also check the I button. So this next one is pink and kind of Ananda blue color combination. This is one of our super hit designs. Lot of customers go for this design because of how gorgeous it looks once it is worked on the sari. And it looks nice if the sari is single color, double color, or it has like 3 to 4 colors. We have tried to work using 4 colors as well, and it has turned out really well. So out of 10 customers, 8 of them will choose this design. So in case this is not a part of your catalog, do add this design to your catalog and please your customer. So it's very easy to work. The tutorial is uploaded, I think 2 or 3 times on the channel itself, so please do take a look and try working this design. So this next one is a Banaras sari, bright green color body, and it has got like a wineish pallu. So that is the reason I have used both colors in the sari kuchu, and since it has a bright gold kind of zari, I have used gold beads. I worked this design myself because I had to shoot a video on this tutorial. So it's up on both the channels again, so do take a look. So this next sari is worked for my husband's cousin. So for her baby shower function actually. So she left it on me completely. So I wanted it to be a little different. So that's the reason I got this design done. But she really loved the way it turned out. And I guess you guys would have seen the blouse work as well on my Instagram. Just in case you're not following Naughty Threads on Instagram, do follow now, and also follow us on Pinterest and Facebook so that you get to see the insights. Like, not everything is posted on YouTube, so if you want to see more content that is not a part of YouTube, so please follow us on these social media, which is Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. On Facebook also, we have a group called Crochet Club by Naughty Threads, so where all the crochet related work is exchanged. So do join the group so that we get to learn from each other. And in case you have not subscribed to this channel, take a moment and hit the subscribe button now. So this last sari of today is very pretty. It's got that pale pink, more like a baby pink, sandalwood color, and this beautiful golden yellow combination. This particular customer left it on me, so I chose this design, and I must tell you guys, she was very happy with the outcome. She just loved the moment she saw. The only thing she said is wow. So that's what I aim for. And yeah, in case you have not subscribed to Kanika Reddy Vlogs yet, do subscribe. And this is just a part 1 of this video. the orders that we fulfilled pre-lockdown. More parts will be coming soon. I didn't want to add everything in one video and make it too long and boring, so that is the reason I will be uploading them in parts. So please stay tuned for the next part. I think that's all for today. I shall see you guys very soon. Until then, stay home and stay safe, guys. Bye bye.